नमस्कार, कृषि जागरण में आपका स्वागत है। कृषि और स्वास्थ्य संबंधी अपडेट को पाने के लिए सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाएं और घंटी को दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको मिले हर जानकारी झट से।
Next financial year, obviously, I can't give you numbers because we are a publicly traded company, but I can tell you that clearly we want to move ahead further with our water management solutions. So we have Subhash is responsible for that. We have had great success in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and now Rajasthan, but we are not satisfied for two things. One is water management is an issue across India. Second, we are not satisfied because this solution we are interacting with the farmers for maybe 2 months of the year. We want to interact with the farmer for the entire 12-month period at every step of the way, from land preparation to planting to harvesting to transport and logistics. So we are bringing in technology. So hopefully by this time next year, we would have a much better penetration of our auto guidance and auto guidance solutions in partnership with some OEMs. So that is on the roadmap. We want to expand our footprint for water management. Now we are doing in Pakistan and in some states of India. We want to go pan-India. We want to get into Bangladesh because all these places, the common issue is water management. We have a lot of wastage of water. We want to introduce auto guidance, as I said. So if Subhash can help me commercialize those auto guidance solutions, I'll be very happy by next April. And I would like to report it back again to you guys.
No, this laser the electronic components are basically from Timber. The transmitters,
Timber has been supplying it to the universities.
Not to the farmers, through our distributors. So the distributors now, what they do is...
It's an old technology, that's all.
Yeah, whether to separate from but for last 2 decades. So what has happened, way back in 2000, 2001, if you look at the history of that, there are some scientists from PAU, they were attending some conference in US. So they saw that is working in US, right? So it's very good, why can't we adopt it in India? So the first, the electronic component was of Timber, was imported from US to India, way back in 2001, right? And there was a scientist called Raj Gupta and Dr. Jat, and specifically those scientists still there. So they imported this component from Timber. And that time nobody was knowing about these technologies. Then they were worried that there is a scrapper which is required, what to do? So then talked to a company called Berry Udyog, and they had a plant in Kandal, they manufactured the scrapper. And they got the specification from US, how the scrappers look like. So they got the scrapper also. So they installed both this. And there was another scientist called Professor Jackman, who was that time working with IRRI, with the rice plants. And he was in India for almost 3 months. IRRI and some group of farmers and local agriculture university. And they saw so much benefit to the farmers in terms of the yield improvement, in terms of water saving. From 2004-05, then now it's a history now. Because there's so much water saving. Today, at this point of time, you go to Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, everybody, they know about laser leveler and they want to level that. So we have got enough data from research institute.
How many machines you have sold up till now in India?
Every year we sell, the total market is about 3,000 to 4,000, right? Yeah, 3,000 to 4,000. And there is a government subsidy also for this because this is so important that I think the government of India gives some subsidies the farmers are able to avail of. So the market is 3,000 to 4,000 in these few states. Obviously we are not satisfied, because there are 25 other states that need to take care of
subsidy is available in the states. Different states, different subsidies.
Yes, correct. Because it's a state subject.
Yes. So state subject.
Yeah. So we are trying to promote this in Chhattisgarh, for example, Odisha, so on. So I think
So we have got a distributor, then they have got a dealer network, they have got retailers, then farmers, right? So distributor in turn give to dealer and they do the demonstration and farmers meeting, service they have everything, so that it gets popular in the northern part. There are areas where still the technology needs to be promoted, the awareness to be created, like the eastern part of the country, central part of the area, like Chhattisgarh, MP, a lot of paddies who are being supplied, right? So there the technology has to be promoted. There of course we don't have, if you look at our distribution network, the number of dealers are really more in the northern part of the country. Because of the existing business we are getting from down, that's why. But in central part of the country, yeah, there are some few dealers are there. But like this customer hiring model, which I think Prabhas talked about. I mean, Escort is working in there. Some areas also, Mahindra is working there. EM3 is also working some bed. Like EM3, I mean, other day they are working some super cleans. They said, look, there's a plenty of demand from reservoir, but there's a lot of opportunity there. What we're doing is working with companies like EM3 and trying to demonstrate it to the super farmers. Because one farmer, he knows about gas, it's very big. He can tell to many other farmers, right?
You are having an arrangement with the tractor manufacturers also. They should sell as is equipment to be sold along with the tractor.
I mean, we are in discussion with various OEMs, so they have the option to integrate it into their machines as an OE fitment or as an aftermarket. It's we are agnostic to that. So some OEMs may decide to integrate it as an OEM fitment if they see a lot of scale, or they may start with an aftermarket, and as the momentum picks up, then they may start integrating. Right now we are expanding our distribution network in India.
Which are the few states?
Punjab, Haryana, Western UP, Rajasthan.
And one more question is there. As far as water is concerned, water level, what you are thinking of Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh and India? India water level is too low, or
I think all the countries in our subcontinent region unfortunately face the same problem, which is shrinking, lowering of water levels because of subsidies, because of extensive use of water and a lot of wastage. Same issue in Bangladesh also. When we went there, the farmers waste a lot of water.
So Trimble is looking at 2020 to come in full throttle with the release cost of the technology and expanding on the field with the distributors, dealers, and bringing in more indigenous technology for the Indian farmers.
Yeah, it's multi-pronged. So one is expand our existing distribution network, promote more water management. Second is to increase our engagement with OEMs to bring in solutions like auto guidance. And we're not going to make it cheap and dirty on the first day. We have to gradually do that. So we have to segment the market, segment the in terms of geography, in terms of crop, in terms of our customers, who can validate that our solutions are on the right track, and then bring it to the mass market. So there will be a graduate approach. But I think this year and next year are very good.
Are you also looking at B2B engagement to speed up the process of dissemination?
Yeah, the third thing is look at innovative business models. EM3 is one of our partners. So we're looking at how they can use our technology in a fractionated manner to give it to the farmers. And
are you already doing EM3 is very much on a good scale in MP?
That's right.
Yeah,
that's right.
There are also in Rajasthan, so the example I gave was sugarcane. That's what we're doing with EM3. Some of the demonstration is there. With the Escorts in the eastern part of the country, they have got a couple of centers. So they're already using our result the world body. With Mahindra, they have got some good results also. We are trying to expand there. They are trying to experiment new technology also. So those things are happening.
are you participating in exhibitions also just to interact with the farmers in all the countries?
All the countries. I think
maybe India, then Bangladesh, and
yeah, I think through our distributor, we have got a distributor technology. So they are participating. They participate. Their
Trimble is not
technically.
No, they use we co-participate with them.
Yeah, co-sponsor and all.
Doubling the farmers in. We want to make our contribution. That's a commitment from our end. Thank you so much.
So whenever next time.